Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to enable DataBricks web terminal like this, and by default it is not enabled. We need to enable it. So to the left corner you can see the settings icon. Click on it and then click on admin console, and then we need to choose workspace settings, and once you click on it you'll be redirecting to the other page, and in the advanced session you need to enable web terminal. Yeah, by default it is disabled, you can see it. Once I have enabled, I need to refresh the DataBricks browser which I'm using. I mean the notebook which I'm using. I need to refresh it, or and by two ways I can access it from the notebook level. So if you see here, it is not enabled. I need to refresh it. Once the refresher is done, yeah, if you can see on the cluster details, once I click on the cluster, if you hover the mouse to the cluster details, you will get the web terminal page in the last. See, now it will open a web terminal page. So it's similar to like a bash. If you ever worked on bash, it's similar to like that. You can run the shell script commands over this terminal. Yeah, see, I will try to open VI editor. I'll try to create one text file for example. You see, it's you can write your script over here, or the text part. This is the one way of accessing the web terminal, and I will show you the next way how to access the web terminal from the cluster level. So go to the cluster page, and for that I need to check the compute, and then here I'm the cluster. Once I click on the cluster, you can see the apps. Yeah, click on this apps. Once you click on that, you have an web terminal option over there as shown in the video. Just click on it. Yeah, that's it. You can do your work from this terminal. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.